Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make coconut rice using frying method. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. In a clean pan or pot, go in with your coconut oil. Allow it to heat up, okay? Before adding your diced onions, we made use of 2 medium-sized onions. Yes. So guys, you fry it for a minute, okay? Now introduce your tomato paste. And give it a stir. We're gonna allow it fry, okay? Until it is completely dry, yeah. So guys, we are checking again, and at this point it is well fried, okay? Now adding your thyme, your dry thyme, some salt, teaspoon of salt, and your seasoning to taste, and give it a quick stir. Mix it to well combine. Alright guys, now introduce your rice. Just note that before now you have washed and sieved your rice. At this point you go in with it, okay? Combine it well, stir to well combine. You want to combine the rice and the tomato stew together. Now introduce your meat stock, followed by your coconut milk, guys. We made use of 2 tins of coconut milk, yes. But if you can get a fresh coconut, yes, better. Just follow the procedure of blending and sieving, yes, just to extract the juice. Now guys, after you've stirred it, go on and add in your crayfish, your ground crayfish, followed by your peppers, okay? And now we are going in with our diced onions, extra onions, yes. Guys, be generous with your onions when making coconut rice. It adds to a taste and make it more flavorful. So guys, be generous with it, okay? Now guys, we are testing for salt. Feel free to adjust your salt, yes, but be careful so you don't oversalt your food, alright? And once you've added your salt, go in and stir it, okay? Now we're going to cover it and allow it to cook on low-medium heat, yes. After 5 minutes, this is us checking, yeah. We're trying to adjust to make sure that the water goes down. Now cover it with a foil paper. In that way, it will help absorb the moisture or the water and make it cook quickly and dry fast. So guys, after another 5 minutes, look at where we are, checking again. It is almost ready. Yes, the water has gone down and it will just be remaining few minutes and we are done. So guys, we are checking again, and at this point our water is almost, in fact it is dry. Now go in with some coconut flakes, guys. It's a game changer. You want to eat your food and have some bites of coconut flakes, yes, it makes it more delicious. So guys, sprinkle that in and add in your spring onions, yes. Garnish it up with your coconut flakes and your spring onions and stir to well combine, okay? Guys, this recipe is a must try. Is a must try, guys. Give it a shot. And if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijeoma. Please be part of the family, okay? Subscribe, alright? Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. And to my subscribers, welcome back again. Thank you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Alright guys, let's continue. This is us now dishing out our food with some peppered gizzard, guys. It's a must try. Give it a shot, okay? Looking all good and it tastes so good. Guys, are you gonna give it a shot? Let me know in the comment section. I also want to know where the country, city where you're watching me from, guys, so I can send you warm greetings in my next video. Thank you guys. And this is me serving our delicious coconut rice, guys, alongside with some peppered gizzard. Oh my, this looks so good. Guys, give it a shot. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe. Thank you.